You put so much care and attention into your food. Ingredients, menu pairings, presentation, and more. Why place it in a bland box and undervalue all your hard work when you can put it in sustainable packaging that's a billboard for your brand? Did you know? Your brand is your story, your connection, the truth you weave into the fabric of who your business is. Without consistent branding, you might still believe in the same things and be living the same story, but how will your customers know, and how will they be able to share? On the flip side, the more consistent and visible your branding is across key touch points with your customer, like your packaging, you can see average revenue increase by 23%. That's almost a quarter from branding alone. So why not invest in sustainable packaging to tell your brand story? Our creative team is here to help. With access to our custom branding, there are truly no limits on what your to-go box can do for you. Indicate LTOs, happy hours, announcements, and more. List menu items that can be easily checked or circled to streamline operations. Add QR codes linking to your website, a video, social media, or anything. Educate your customers on composting and closing the loop. And so much more. All this with no color fees and low minimums. Imagine the possibilities. Plus, you can change your design quarterly at no extra charge. Just send us your new artwork files and we can have your new print ready and waiting for production in as little as 10 minutes. And of course, if you ever need help with your design, we've got professional designers ready to assist. We can even set up a live design session with you to address changes collaboratively via video call and screen sharing. So with all that considered, why don't we upgrade that to-go box together? Visit our website for more information or send us an email to get started today.